Have you ever found yourself standing in front of the mirror, frustrated with stubborn belly fat that just won't budge? Despite working hard, following strict diets, or exercising, your stomach remains unchanged. Well, I've got some exciting news for you. It's not your fault. What if I told you that you could flatten your stomach in just 1 week? Without crazy diets or hours in the gym, stick with me and I'll show you how a simple, natural drink could be the game changer you've been waiting for. The struggle with belly fat. We've all been there. The moment you try on your favorite pair of jeans, only to realize they don't fit quite the same anymore. You pull, stretch, and tug, but that belly fat just seems to stay put. No matter how hard you try, it's not just about vanity. It's how uncomfortable it makes you feel. And the worst part, no matter how much weight you lose, that stubborn belly fat always seems to stick around. But here's the thing, belly fat isn't just an aesthetic issue. It's a serious health concern. This fat, especially around your midsection, is linked to heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers. So it's not just about how you look. It's about how your body functions and your overall health. I know what you're thinking. I've tried everything. Why won't this go away? You're not alone. Many women experience the same frustration. But the key to losing that belly fat doesn't always lie in intense workouts or restrictive diets. Sometimes the solution is simpler than we think. Why traditional diets and workouts don't always work. You've probably tried every diet, low carb, keto, intermittent fasting, and still the results aren't what you hoped. Or you've spent hours at the gym, sweating it out, yet the belly fat persists. Here's the thing, traditional diets and exercise plans aren't one size fits all. They work for some, but don't necessarily address the underlying causes of belly fat. Restricting your food intake too much can slow your metabolism. Overdoing intense workouts can increase stress, which raises cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for storing belly fat. Losing belly fat isn't just about burning calories. It's about finding a balance that supports your metabolism, balances your hormones, and reduces stress. And that's where a simple, natural solution comes in. The secret weapon, ginger tea. What if I told you that the answer to your belly fat struggle could be found in your kitchen? It's not some expensive supplement or diet pill. It's simple, ginger tea. Ginger has been used for centuries for its health benefits. It's now gaining popularity for its ability to aid in weight loss. Ginger doesn't just taste great, it helps boost digestion, metabolism, and targets belly fat. And the best part? It's easy to make and incorporate into your daily routine. When you drink ginger tea, it can help you fight off cravings, regulate your appetite, and improve your digestion. All things that play a crucial role in reducing belly fat. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants that support your immune system, making it a win-win for your overall health. How ginger tea helps with belly fat. So, how does ginger tea help with belly fat? Let's break it down. First, ginger is a powerful digestive aid. It speeds up digestion, allowing your body to absorb nutrients efficiently and remove waste faster. When your digestive system works properly, your body has a better chance of burning fat rather than storing it. Second, ginger boosts your metabolism. Drinking ginger tea increases your body temperature slightly, helping your metabolism speed up. A faster metabolism burns fat more efficiently, even while resting. Additionally, ginger helps curb appetite. It keeps you full longer, making it easier to resist unhealthy snacks. Drinking ginger tea before meals can help you make healthier choices, reduce emotional eating, and stay on track with your weight loss goals. Lastly, Ginger reduces cortisol levels, the hormone linked to stress and belly fat. Lower cortisol levels help prevent stress-induced fat storage and allow your body to burn fat more effectively. How to make ginger tea. Now that you know how powerful ginger tea is, let's talk about how to make it. It's simple and quick, and you only need a few ingredients. To 2 inches of fresh ginger root, about 2.5 to 5 cml, lemon tablespoon of honey, optional, cups of water. Instructions: boil the water. While it heats, peel and slice the ginger root. Add the ginger to the boiling water and steep for 10 to 15 minutes. The longer it steeps, the stronger the flavor. Remove from heat. Squeeze in lemon juice for added vitamin C, which helps with detox and skin health. Add honey for sweetness, if desired. Pour into a cup and enjoy. For best results, drink a cup in the morning on an empty stomach and again after meals, at least 2 to 3 times a day. Ginger tea will support your metabolism, digestion, and help you feel fuller for longer. Additional tips for better results. While ginger tea is a great tool for fighting belly fat, here are a few additional tips to enhance your weight loss journey. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to support digestion, flush toxins, and keep your metabolism functioning. Eat whole foods. Focus on vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These keep you full and help burn fat more efficiently. Exercise lightly. Simple exercises like walking or yoga can boost your metabolism and improve circulation. Even 20 minutes of moderate activity daily can make a significant impact on your weight loss. Manage stress. Stress increases cortisol, which leads to belly fat. Try reducing stress through deep breathing, meditation, or activities you enjoy. Managing your stress will make it easier to maintain your progress. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to balance hormones and aid fat loss. A good night's rest is crucial for keeping your body healthy and energized. Combine ginger tea with these tips, and you'll see results in no time. Your body will begin to respond positively, and you'll feel more confident, energized, and healthier overall. You've discovered how a simple cup of ginger tea can target belly fat, boost metabolism, and improve health. It's not a quick fix, but with consistency, it's a powerful tool. Drink ginger tea regularly, stay hydrated, eat whole foods, manage stress, and get enough sleep. In just 1 week, you'll notice a difference. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and comment below. Let me know how ginger tea has helped you. Or if you have any tips, subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy and strong.